How to clean Apple Watch bands. An Apple Watch is the ultimate accessory and the productivity hack of the century. It assists with timekeeping, sleep and fitness tracking, internet and phone notifications, heart rate monitoring, and even emergency notifications. Not to mention, it is fashionable and waterproof. Apple Watches are ubiquitous and worn constantly, so the band can become dirty over time. Dust, sweat, lotion, food, and dirt can affect your watch band's appearance and dull or discolor the material. Regular cleaning at least once every 2 weeks will help maintain its fresh out-of-the-box appearance. Luckily, it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes of effort to restore your band to its original color. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning your band with a damp cloth and using a magic eraser. Now let's get started. Method 1. Cleaning your band with a damp cloth. Number 1. Remove the sport band from the Apple Watch. Slide the band out from the main watch component. Set the watch aside in a safe area where you don't need to worry about it being damaged. Place the band on a flat surface for cleaning. Number 2. Clean the band with a lint-free, non-abrasive cloth. Gently wipe down your band using the cloth. Be sure to clean both the top and underside. It's easy to forget about the underside of your band because you don't see it very often. This is the method suggested by Apple for the officially branded Apple Watch sport bands. Number 3. Dampen cloth with fresh water. If your band still seems dirty after using a dry cloth, dampen the cloth lightly with fresh water. Scrub the areas where the dirt persists. You might have to apply a little extra pressure while scrubbing. Do not use cleaning products that contain alcohol. Apple Watch sport bands are made from fluoroelastomer, which does not react well to alcohol. Number 4. Wipe away all remaining moisture. Once the watch band is clean enough to your standards, use a dry non-abrasive, lint-free cloth to wipe away any residual water. Always remember to check the top and underside of the watch band. Number 5. Leave band out to dry if you're not in a hurry. Unless you're in a rush to have your Apple Watch ready and back on your wrist, let the band sit out at room temperature until completely dry. You can even leave it out to dry overnight, or whenever you don't typically wear your Apple Watch. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using a magic eraser. Number 1. Prepare your magic eraser with water. Wet your magic eraser with warm water until fully soaked. Afterward, squeeze all the remaining water from the eraser. Your eraser should not. Be careful when wringing out your magic eraser, since too much twisting and squeezing will cause the product to tear. Magic erasers will tear over time, but there's no need to speed up the process. Number 2. Scrub down your watch band with magic eraser. Using your damp magic eraser, firmly scrub your band. Take note of any areas with added dirt buildup, and apply pressure while scrubbing. Also, pay extra attention to the lugs on the watch band, as well as the pin. Scrub both areas thoroughly. As you clean, you may have to re-wet your magic eraser if it starts to get too dry. Number 3. Run your watch band under warm water. Now that you've scrubbed off all of the dirt from your band, you want to rinse it off completely. This will ensure that no disgusting bits of dirt get left behind on your watch band. Number 4. Dry your watch band completely. Once your band is clean enough to your satisfaction, dry your watch band with a clean cloth. Be sure the areas you paid the most attention to are fully dry before reattaching to your Apple Watch. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. If a buildup of sweat has caused your Apple Watch sports band to start to smell, and simply cleaning the band isn't helping, try applying hand deodorant to the area of your wrist that your watch comes in contact with. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.